In this video, we're going to go over the Check Your Understanding from 3.1, displaying relationships, specifically scatter plots. So it says, is there a relationship between the amount of sugar in grams and the number of calories in movie theater candy? Here are the data from a sample of 12 types of candy. So we have the different candies, and you're given the amount of sugar in them in grams, and then the calories. So if you think naturally which one is kind of responding to the other, your explanatory variable is going to be the sugar, and your response variable will be the number of calories. Because if you add sugar, your calories are going to go up. It's not like the more calories implies the more sugar. You would expect as sugar goes up, the calories will go up. So we're going to make a scatter plot displaying this relationship. So you want to label your explanatory axis and your response axis with sugar in grams and calories. So I have my y-axis going up by 100s and my x-axis starting at 40 and going up to 150 in increments of 10. So now each one of these will be an x and a y. So 45, 450, 107, 570. And then you're going to plot these 12 different points relating sugar to calories. So there are my points, and I'm just going to add that this sugar is in grams because it should be clearly a quantitative variable, and that's going to be grams. Okay, so now we're going to describe the relationship in the scatter plot. Now remember, anytime you describe a scatter plot, you need to hit 4 things: direction, unusual, features, form, and strength. So think about Duff's. So I'm going to write in my sentence. The scatter plot shows a positive, fairly strong linear pattern. There's a possible outlier with peanut M&Ms at 79, 790. So that makes sense because you get more calories from the fat and the peanuts. Direction, that's going to be positive because as sugar increased, the calories in general increased. Unusual features, that's going to be the second sentence, the possible outlier, which is here. That's my possible outlier. Form, what kind of shape this is taking. So linear pattern. And how strong that form is, we said fairly strong. So we hit all the pieces we needed to hit there, and this problem's good to go.